Hey guys, I'm Rob, and I'm here on behalf of Information Mind. On today's tutorial lineup, we're going to be covering how to change column width in an Excel spreadsheet. There are 5 ways to change column width that we'll be covering. The first of which is to make your columns auto-adjust or auto-fit to the contents of your cells. The second way is to drag column dividers to the desired width. The third way is to change column width by entering specific width values. Number 4 on our list is to match one column's width to another column's width. And number 5 is how to change the default width for an entire spreadsheet. Let's get started. The first way I'll be showing you guys is how to auto-fit column width to the contents of your cells. The first step is to select the column or columns that you want to change. I'll be using both columns C and D for this example. Once you have your columns selected, you need to find the Format menu. If you don't know where that is, it can be located under the Home tab in the Cells group. Once you've found the Format menu, open it up and scroll down to the Auto-Fit Column Width option. Once you click it, you have officially auto-fit column width to match the contents of your cells. The second method, which I'll show you now, is changing column width by dragging the column dividers. This method is, in my opinion, the quickest and easiest way to change column width. All you have to do is take your mouse and hover between the column headers until you see the pointer turn into 2 arrows pointing in opposite directions. This means that you can click on and drag that specific column to whatever width you need it to be. You can also do this with multiple columns at the same time, simply by highlighting the columns you wish, and then by dragging any column divider within the highlighted area, you can change multiple column widths and save time. And that is how you change column width by using column dividers. Now, on to number 3. For number 3, I'm going to show you how to adjust column width by entering a specific column width value. The first step is to once again select the column or columns that you want to change. For this example, I'll be using C and D. After you've selected your columns, go back to the Format menu like we did for number 1. Except this time when you click it, we're going to be using column width, not auto-fit column width. Once you've selected column width, a small column width value menu should appear. If your goal was to increase your column size, type in a larger number, and if your goal was to make smaller columns, enter a smaller one. Now you can hit OK. Your columns should increase or decrease in direct relation to your input, and that is how you adjust column width by using specific values. On to number 4. Step 1 for making one column width the same as another is to select the column whose width you wish to transfer. Once you've selected this column, right-click on the header and choose Copy. Step number 2 is to simply click on the header whose width you are replacing. Step 3 is to navigate to the Paste Special button. To find this option, click on the pull-down menu, which is directly beneath the toolbar's Paste button. Now scroll down to the Paste Special option and open it up. Once here, we're going to change the Paste All option to the Columns Widths option. Click OK and your column changes have taken effect. And that is how to make one column width the same as another column's width. The last method I'll be covering today is how to change the default width for an entire worksheet. Step 1 is to select the worksheet you wish to change. Step 2. In order to change an entire spreadsheet, you need to select all cells. To do that, click the Select All Cells button at the intersection of your columns and your rows. Step 3 is to click on the Format menu. Scroll down to the last width option, the default width, and click it. Once at this menu, you can add your default width values. Now remember, bigger columns require a larger number, and smaller columns require smaller numbers. Once you click OK, all your width changes will take place. And that is how you change the default width for an entire worksheet. I hope you guys learned something, and thank you for watching another video tutorial by Information Mind.